Whatever my people, in case you are meeting me for the first time, I go by the name MC Banu. So they call me the son of comedy. It's Royal Talkative online Zadi. We are on the street of Badore. Election is coming, so we need to go to the street to know people their favorite candidate for the next president election. So we go ask them, maybe they don't get their voters card. You know now, as we did. So Nigeria, I believe Nigeria is going to be a better place very soon. So stay tuned. More they go, more they move around. Let's go. So what are my people? We're still here on the street of Badore as the matter the odds. Election is coming. So the first person I'm seeing that will be asking about the next election. Yeah, please. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Toib, bro.
You say?
Toib.
You dey shy. Face the camera now. So please, have you gotten your voters card?
Wait, how is that?
You say?
Wait, how is that?
You are in Nigeria, you need it.
Okay, maybe I'll try, sir.
You will try. Okay, so who is your favorite candidate for the next presidential election? Who will you vote for?
Sorry for this question. Who are the contestants?
Oh, okay. Our candidate, the presidential candidate, we have Peter Obi. We say our slogan obedient. We have the Bola Ahmed Tinubu Jagaban. We say in slang na Emilokon. So and the next one is for the PDP is Atiku Abubakar. We say our slogan na articulate. So which one? Because we have a lot of political party, but now the one we say that they obvious now be that. So who are you voting for?
I don't know yet.
Why don't you know yet?
Because I don't know myself, sir.
Okay, but do you believe that Nigeria is going to be a better place for us?
On God.
Why on God? Don't you believe?
No, it's not that I do not believe, but it's on God. Okay. I can't predict.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Toib. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Okay, so that's it. What are my people? I will see you on the street of Badore. So now about the election, last election, we come. We see the actual question. So I have my brother on the street. Please, your kilo rukoy.
Orúkọ mi ni Atanda.
Atanda yo. So Emma bin say eti gba voters card.
Sure.
Eti gba.
Sure. I still have the previous one I use.
Okay. So ta lè rò pé ó máa wọlé fún ìdìbò tó ń bọ̀ fún president.
As ọmọ Yorùbá, mi ní fọwọ́ sí ju ilé bàbá mi. Àdúrà tèmi ni pé ẹni tó máa wọ bẹ̀ tó máa tu ogba lára ni kó débẹ̀. Kò bá jẹ́ Obi o, kò bá jẹ́ Tinubu, kò bá jẹ́ Atiku. Ẹni tó bá ta máa débẹ̀ tó máa rántí ogba ọmọ ìkúnnù ní kọ́lẹ̀ yẹn kó débẹ̀.
Wow. I'm impressed with this. Like I'm impressed. Thank you very much. Please make sure you vote.
Sure.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Doctor. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Let's go. So what are my people? I will see here on the street of Badore. Election is coming, so we need to ask a lot of questions from people. So I see the person I'm seeing on the road. Please, what's your name?
My name is Posh.
Okay. Do you have a voters card? Have you get your voters card?
I've not yet got the voters card.
Why?
I'm still proposing to get it.
Okay, but please get. So who do you think is going to win the next election?
I prefer Obi.
Peter Obi
to be the next president.
So you are obedient?
I'm obedient too.
So do you think Obi is the right person?
Obi is the right person for me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thanks for collaborating. So that's it. What are my people? I see your boy MC Ban. So we don't hear matter from some people mouth. So the next election, we pray it's a free and fair election. That's what we want, ladies and gentlemen. Very soon we're going to do our toilet. Make for no cost score. Just stay tuned.